Fantasia. So we have a repeat at the end of the fourth measure, so we go right back to the beginning. Watch out for your fourth fingers so that they are reaching high enough. A good way to make sure that those are in tune, other than using your is to play with the open string next to it of what it would be. So do a double stop so that you're playing them both at the same time, or go back and forth between them. And you can drone all of the strings, and it won't sound terrible. The one thing that I need to point out is that we have a high third finger in the 20th measure, that D sharp. We're going to use a high 3, so 19, 4, you're going to be using a lot of 4s for this one. Let's give it a go. And as you get more comfortable with it, put in the dynamics. Beginning. 1, 2, ready, go. So yeah, it happens again, well, it happens the first time in measure 10. So this was at 95, and it's allegretto, so you can pick it up faster all the way up to 109 is the end of allegretto. And feel free to take it slower in addition, so they can really sound things out. You have that fifth, that 1-to-1. And then that tight 2, because we're in that G major scale of what it says on paper, but we have, it's actually in E minor. So we have that nice sad sound. So it's almost, it's wanting you to play it a little bit slower. We have a little bit of that teaser with that that D sharp that leads us right into that E. So we want to make sure that that's nice and high. So make sure that those are nice and tight between us. So 3 and 4, real close.